Who is ReadSpeaker? ReadSpeaker is not only a text-to-speech company. We also supply many accessibility tools. Our integration is site-wide, so all students have access to these tools. We hire voice actors and create the voices from this point to the delivered voice. Because of this, any adjustments to pronunciations can be quickly made. This video will change to various voices so you can hear a wide range of the ReadSpeaker English voices. On the screen, you see additional information. There are many reasons to use ReadSpeaker. Among them are the following. Not every student identifies as needing accommodations for various reasons, such as cost. Having ReadSpeaker present allows all students to use the tools without having to apply for accommodations. Some students do not qualify for accommodations but learn better by hearing. Some students have difficulty focusing after a long day. The focus tools in ReadSpeaker help the student engage or re-engage with the materials. Bimodal learning increases retention. As Abraham Lincoln stated, when I read aloud, two senses catch the idea. First, I see what I read. Second, I hear it, and therefore, I can remember it better. Now let's look at the ReadSpeaker integration into Learnosity.
Settings can be customized. Click on the hamburger, the three horizontal lines to the left of the Listen button. Click on Settings. Select your word and sentence colors. Notice the underline option is present for those that are colorblind or desire to use it. Your reading speed can be adjusted by clicking on the speedometer. Moving the marker up increases the reading speed, and down decreases the reading speed. It is easy to move the marker using your up and down arrow keys.
Text settings can be made from the Settings command or when text mode is open. Let's select a +3 font size. Open dyslexic font. And black on pink for our text colors. Text spacing is the amount of space between characters. For text spacing, let's use a +4 setting.
On the left side, click on the keyboard. You can customize your keyboard shortcuts. Let's change the play shortcut to Ctrl-L. First, click on the X to the right of the shortcut. Now click on the area where the shortcut was displayed. Simultaneously click on the shortcut combination that you want to use. When you release the keys, your new shortcut is saved in the cookies and cache of the browser.
Now let's select the voice we want to hear. Click on the hamburger, and then click on Reading Voice. Select your voice. We will look at several question types. Click Start. And then click on Item 2, a multiple choice or multiple select question.
Which cities are on the east coast of Australia? A. Brisbane. B. Perth. C. Sydney. D. Darwin.
We know the answers are Sydney and Brisbane.
Which cities are on the east coast of the USA? A. New York. B. Washington, D.C. C. Atlanta. D. Austin.
We know the answers are New York, Washington, D.C. and Atlanta. Now let's look at Item 5, which is a close association question. We have read the questions already, and decided on our answers, by dragging the answer into the block at the right of the question. Highlight the statements and your answers, and then click Listen. Let's listen.
There are 51 states in the United States of America. False. Joe Biden is the President of the United States of America. True. Austin is the capital city of Texas. True. The White House is located in New York State. False.
Item 10 is an open response or long text question. For this type of question, you will read the question, write your answer, and then collapse the player. Highlight your answer, and click Listen to hear it read to you. We are only going to read the prompt.
Write an essay about how someone you know, or look up to, has influenced you to help others.
Enter your response. Close the player, and then highlight the response area.
My 6th grade teacher taught me to love math, and I ended up sharing that love of math by teaching it for 38 years.
Item 12 is a close formula question, meaning it has drop-down menus and uses math. We have answered the questions, and will read the question with the answers. Let's listen.
In this exercise, we will examine properties of the polynomial, x to the power of 4th, minus x cubed, minus 6x squared, to help us sketch the graph of the function, f parenthesis x end parenthesis, equals x to the power of 4th, minus x cubed, minus 6x squared. Factor the polynomial completely, x to the power of 4th, minus x cubed, minus 6x squared, equals, x squared, open paren, x minus 3, closed paren, open paren, x plus 2, closed paren. Mine is correct. Response area. Response mine is correct. Check answer. The leading coefficient is positive, and the degree of the polynomial is even, and so we know that the graph will increase without bound at both ends. Response mine is correct. Check answer.
Now that you see how easy it is to use the ReadSpeaker tools on Learnosity formatted questions, you are ready to utilize these tools.